What's up, everybody? So today we're gonna be doing that install video for the Nexar dash cam. Should be fairly simple. It doesn't look too complicated. I will guide you through the steps how to install it in a Genesis Coupe because that's what I have. But the install should be very similar with any other car. I mean, you know, car is only so much different. But let me unbox it for you, show you what's inside, and then we'll get right into it. Lego. All right, so you get everything you need. They give you a micro SD, obviously the instructions and all of that good stuff, the camera, the cable, which is really long, so it's gonna help us run it all the way through to the freaking charger. Obviously this little thingy, why am I forgetting what everything's called? Don't know. Anyways, here's some clips. I don't know if we're gonna be using them, but these are to hold the wires down. We're gonna be trying to tuck all the wires underneath panels and stuff, so we'll show you the proper way. And then of course a little sticky thing. I believe you can buy different ones, but I'm gonna use this and probably stick it somewhere behind the mirror. We'll see where it fits. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do, and hopefully you can see this in the video, you're gonna want to put this little mount in here, which I'm sure you guys can figure out, but for me it was a little hard to press in, but that's okay. Now we're going to test fit and see where I can put it that'll be nice. So I'm thinking like right there. I have adjusted my mirror to exactly how I like it so that I know where I can put it without getting in the way of the mirror, and I'm trying to hide it as much as possible. Not that it looks ugly or anything, but you know, I'm the type of person that doesn't like too much on their windshield, so I'm thinking like right there, right at the start of these black dots, somewhere over here, it's gonna fit perfectly for me. So let's go. So that's where it's gonna stay. I'm gonna show you this from the outside. Let me adjust this again. As you can tell, it doesn't get in the way. That's where I like it, right there. Not bad. That's where it is. That's where it's gonna sit. Doesn't look bad. All right, now that it's mounted, we're gonna take the long cable, take the side that plugs in, set the rest of it down on the ground, move this again, insert that, and then on the Genesis Coupe, I hope you can see this, but we have this little cover. I'm gonna try to stick that right under there, unless it's too thick, but I think we should be able to get away with this somehow. Let me show y'all. You see, I ran it into there, out of there. Now the next step is we're gonna tuck it into here, and we're gonna run it down to this corner here. All right, so let's go ahead and tuck this. Grab something. Just pry this down just a little bit. Stick my fingers under there. And get to tucking. All right, so that's where I'm at. There's a, when this is on here, there's a bolt right there with this cover. Pry this cover out, take out the bolt, and this will come off and then slide out of the bottom. Don't force it, it should come out fairly easy. Now what we're gonna do is run this wire all the way down and into there, and I'm hoping it comes out of there. So let's do that. Here we go. So let's go ahead and run this all the way down to the corner. Done. Alright, take the rest of this cable. I'm hoping this cable's long enough for all this shenanigans. Stick it in there and see where it comes out. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. Maybe it won't come off the bottom. It should. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Alright, let's pull it all the way through. Pull, pull, pull. Now, you can zip tie this, you can do whatever you want with it. I'm just gonna whatever. This thing's gonna go right back over it, so I'm not worried about it. Now my goal is to run it all the way through, run it into there, and I'm gonna run it right out of under here into this. Now in the future, I might just hardwire a USB into or off of the cigarette lighter or charger, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna hardwire something so this will be hidden behind there. But for now, I'm just testing this. I don't know how this camera's gonna work. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, so I'm not gonna hardwire anything just yet. Let's go do that. Alright, so this is a manual. I already know how to take this off. I don't know if it's the same on an auto. Pop. Pop. Comes right off. No problem. Alright, so stick your hand in here. Go over the carpet and get your fingers out here. Grab this. Put it between your fingers. And pull all the way through. We're going to worry about putting this nicely under there in a minute. But for now, that's what I did. Now we're going to go under and kind of behind this so I can get it in here if I can. I don't think so, actually. I think this isn't possible, but it pops out a little bit. Well, can't close that anyway, so guess it is what it is, but there you go. That's how I ran it. So hopefully you can see that, but I ran it kind of pushed this whole thing down and like twisted it a little bit so I could get that cable, you see the cable right there, into there, and then I kind of just ran it under this thing. Yeah, I know my cap's missing. It is what it is. Let's go ahead and push this all back together. Alrighty, so all that's back on. Now you can run this cable wherever you want. I'm going to zip tie it to something under here. Yeah, my car's a little dirty under here. I gotta clean it. Anyways, I'm gonna zip tie this cable somewhere under there. All the slack I'm gonna hide somewhere under this carpet. And yeah, let's do that. Still got a couple little panels to put back on. Then we're gonna go for a test drive and see how well it works. Seems like it's working great. The install was very simple, very easy. They included everything you need to install it. They did reach out to me, and after I told them I'm making a video, they decided to give all my viewers a $10 discount. All the details will be in the description. Check that out. Anybody that's watching this video, if you guys want to get this $10 off, just use my code, use the link in the description, in the comments, go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, love it, whatever you want to do with it. And I'll see you guys on the next one.